Hello, welcome to UPSC Rainbow. In the previous 15 lecture, we studied about the whole chapter of history by the basic prelims question. So let us start with the section test of history and check whether the study is going correct direction or not. So let us start with the basics. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to the Harappa culture? The Harappa people were aware of almost all the metals including iron. This statement is incorrect because we know that iron is known in the Vedic culture. So first statements are incorrect. The gold objects include beads, armlets, needles, and other ornaments is also there. Yes, the weapons produced by the Harappan were mostly defensive in nature. Yes, there is also evidence of the use of the bronze through the limited manner. Yes, so 2, 3, 4 are correct statements. So answer is B. Consider the following statements regarding the precious stone used for making beads by Harappans. The source of the lapis lazuli was located in the Badakhshan mines in the northeast Afghanistan. These statements are incorrect because it is located in the Central Asia, Western India. So first statements are incorrect. Turquoise and jade might have been brought from the Western India. So these statements are correct. So asking what correct statements? So only two. So answer is B. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to the Harappan people? The Harappan society comprised of the people following the diverse profession. Yes, the Harappan society appears to have been patriarchal in nature. These statements are incorrect because Harappan societies appear in matriarchal in nature. So second statements are incorrect. The limited knowledge about these dress styles comes from the terracotta figures, stone sculpture of the period. These statements are correct. Hair dressing by both men and women is evident from the figuring found at different sites. The statements are also correct. Correct statement is 1, 3 and 4. So answer is C. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to the Harappa religion? What is the correct about the Harappa religion? The Harappa religion is normally termed as animism, that is a worship of trees and stone. These statements are correct. The evidence of the fire worship has been found from the Harappa. These statements are incorrect because we found the fire worship such as Kalibanga and Lothal. So second statements are incorrect. Animal worship was popular among the Harappan. These statements are correct. So 1 and 3 are correct statements. So answer is C. Which of the following statement is not correct regarding Harappan practices? The dead were buried with a varying number of earthen pots. These statements are correct. In some graves, the dead were buried along with the goods such as bangles, beads, and copper mirrors. Yes, this may indicate the Harappa believe in the life after death. Yes, at Kalibanga, three joint or double burials with the male or female bodies together were discovered. These statements are incorrect because it is the site at Lothal. So, these statements are incorrect. Asking about incorrect statements, so answer is D. Which of the following Vedas contain mysticism, magic, and black magic, treachery, etc. You know the Rig Veda having various hymns, and Yajur Veda is other for. In the Sam Veda, you know the music is origin, and the Third Veda having various mysticism and magic and black magic. So asking about black magic, mysticism, so answer is D. Athar Veda. To understand knowledge of the Vedas in the proper and systematic manner, the Vedants were created. Each of the following pair is not correctly matched. Shiksha, to pronounce prayer correctly, is called the Shiksha. Kalpa, to musical rules of the recitation. These statements are incorrect because this contains rule of the performance of sacrifices. So incorrect statements B. Vyakaran is also known as grammar. Nirukta is known as the etymology of the words in the Vedas. So asking about incorrect statements, so answer is B. Which of the following statements are related to the fundamental belief of the Jainism? The soul is bounded by karma from the beginning of the time, yes. The principle governing the succession of the life cycle, birth, life, and death is a karma, yes. Our intention behind our action of body, mind, and speech bind us with karma, yes. Ultimate goal of life is eternal release of from karma. It also correct. So asking about correct statements 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct statements. So answer is D. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to Chandragupta Maurya? He is said to have patronized Jainism. These statements are correct. He not only accepted Jain religion but had actually abdicated the throne and died as a Jain bhikshu in the southern India. These statements are also correct. About 200 years after death of the Mahavira, a terrible famine broke out in the Magad at the time of Chandragupta Maurya. These statements are also correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct. 3 are correct statements. So answer is D. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to Dham of the Ashoka? Ashoka's Dham means righteousness. Yes. The concept of Dhamma is well discussed in the Ashoka Edicts, which were the oldest surviving documents of the Indian history. Yes. The edicts found scattered all over the Indian subcontinent are basically official pronouncement of the policy instruction of Ashoka to his officials and the subject. Yes, Ashoka is said to have underwent a complete change of heart after Kalinga War during 8 years of the reign and thus visualized Dhamm. These statements are also correct. So, asking about the correct statement, this is after the Kalinga War, the greatest ideal and objective before the Ashoka was the propagation of Dhamma. The Dhamma, as explained in the Ashoka Edicts, is not a religion or religious system, but a moral law, a common code of the conduct of the ethical order. So, fourth statements are incorrect. Asking about correct statements 1 to 3. The famous Chinese pilgrim Fayan visited India during the reign of Chandragupta II. Which of the following statements are correct regarding him? He came to India by the sea route by Ceylon and Java. No, he go from India by sea route and by Ceylon. So first statements are incorrect. He visited Peshawar, Mathura, Kannauj, Saraswati, Kapilvastu, Kushinagar, Patliputra, Kashi, Bodh Gaya, among other places. Yes. The main purpose of visit was to see the land of the Buddha and to collect Buddhist manuscript from the India. Yes. He stayed in the Patliputra for 3 years studying the Sanskrit and copying Buddhistic. So 2, 3, 4 are correct statements. So answer is B. Which of the following methods is correct regarding agriculture during the Mughal period? New agriculture technique was introduced during the Mughal period. Yes, new crops like tobacco, maize were introduced in the 17th century. This statement is also correct. The Coromandel coast became the center of textile production in that region. Note rice, barley, and plus where is the commercial crop? So answer is D. Here asking about which of the following correct regarding agriculture. New agriculture technique was introduced during the Mughal period. Not new crops like tobacco, maize, and were introduced by the Portuguese. Not by Mughal period. So B statements are also wrong. The Coromandel coast became the center of textile production. These statements are incorrect. So rice, barley, and pulse are commercial crop in that region. So answer D. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to the literary development during the Mughal period? Utbi and Naziri were the two other leading Persian poets. These statements are correct. Jahangir patronized many scholars like Ghias Beg, Naqib Khan, and Niamtullah. Yes, Shah Jahan also patronized many writers and historians. Abdul Hamid Lahari, author of Pad Shahnama, and Inayat Khan, who wrote the Shah Jahanama. Dara Shikoh translated Bhagavad Gita into the Persian language. Okay, not Arabic language. Fourth statements are incorrect. Asking correct statement 1, 2, 3 are correct statements. So answer is A. Who is the founder of the Kitabul Hind al Biruni? Answer is B. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to Kutubuddin Aibak? He was son-in-law of the Muhammad Ghori. These statements are incorrect because Kutubuddin Aibak is the slave of the Muhammad Ghori. He set up the military headquarters at Indraprasth near Delhi. Yes, he raised a standing army and established his hold over North India. Even during the lifetime of the Gauri, yes, he was called the Lakh Vaks, giver of the Lakh. Yes, so 2, 3, 4 are correct statements. So answer is B. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to Iltutmish? Iltutmish belonged to Ilwari tribe. Yes, in 1211, Iltutmish defeated Armavaks and became the Sultan. These statements are correct. He shifted his capital from Indraprasth to Lahore. These statements are incorrect because he shifted the capital from Lahore to Delhi, not Qutub Minar to Delhi. So first statement, third statement incorrect. He completed the construction of the Qutub Minar at Delhi. Yes. So 1, 2 or 4 correct statements. So answer is C. Which of the following statements are correct regarding to the Bhakti movement? Preacher spoke and wrote in the regional language. Yes. The caste system was condemned by the Bhakti Sant. Yes. So 1 and 2 are correct statements. So answer is C. Consider the following statements are correct. During Akbar region, The Humayun tomb was built at Delhi. It has a massive dome of the marble. Yes. Humayun tomb may be considered the precursor of the Taj Mahal. Yes. Akbar's tomb at the Sikandara near Agra was completed by the Jahangir. So this statement is also correct. Jahangir built the tomb of the Iti-Maudullah at Agra, not built by the Nur Jahan. So fourth statement incorrect. So 1, 2, 3 correct statements. So answer is A. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to the painting during the Mughal period? Humayun brought him with two painters, Mir Syed Ali and Abdul Samad, to India. Yes. Baswan, Miskina and Daswant attained great position as awkward court painter. These statements are correct. Illustration of Persian version of the Mahabharata and Ramayana were produced in the miniature form. These statements are also correct. So 1, 2, 3 are correct statements. So answer is D. Which of the following statements are correct with regard to the Chalukya temple of architecture? Along the temple at Badami, the Mukteswara temple and the Malagutti Shivalaya are the notable for their architectural beauty. This statement is correct. A group of the four rock-cut temples at Badami are the marked as the high workmanship. Yes. The Sangabeswara temple and Virupaksha temple are the famous of their Basra style. These statements are incorrect because it is famous for the Dravidian style. So correct statements 1 and 2. So answer is A. Thank you.